You gotta show them the real you. You gotta give them what you got. No, don't let them see what you're not, 'cause you are strong. You are wise. You are worth beyond 1,000 reasons why. And you can be perfect, baby, 'cause nobody's perfect, darling. But no, 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 there's nobody in the world like you.
That's Mother Nature. I dedicate it to Mother Nature.
What do you do when you can't let go?
Yay!
What do you say when you just don't know how you feel?
Do you know what's nice about being here?
And you know nobody
It's that you
knows
can
how
scream as
feel.
much as you like.
'Cause everybody's got their
Oh, damn problems!
everybody's trying to find their way. And day
See,
by
the
day,
birds are singing with me. Yay! I feel you, bros. I feel you.
that you're not alone. You don't always have to be strong
All by yourself.
I said it's
Okay
okay
to ask for help. Listen.